I want to show you how to decorate this super simple Batman cake. To start, I took my cake out of the refrigerator. The icing is cold and hard, and I'm not going to mess it up when I work on this. So I measured my cake where I want to put the logo, and then I printed the logo out the size I wanted it to be. Now I'm placing the logo on top of the cake and taking my ruler just to make sure that it is centered, just adjusting it so it is in the correct position. And now I'm taking my Dresden tool and carefully just tracing this logo on top of the cake. So I'm pressing down not too hard, but just hard enough so the line will transfer onto the buttercream. And then I lift up the paper when it's done, and there you go. Now I have a icing bag with a tip number 4, and I like to rest my elbow on something a little higher than the cake, and I'm just carefully squeezing this on here. So I'm not letting the tip touch the top of the cake. I'm just letting the icing naturally fall down. I'm using American buttercream, and whoops, it's stuck there. So I wanted to really press it down onto the cake. And now I want to make sure I take my little dry paintbrush and I'm just pushing that line into place so it's not jagged. It looks nice and smooth. And then I'm just going to continue the process tracing this entire outline. This is American buttercream in that bag, and I thinned it out slightly so I can easily squeeze it through the tip. And you see how I'm supporting my one hand with my other hand. And this clip of the video is in actual time, so you can see how slowly I am doing this and making sure that everything goes into the correct place. I move very slowly when I'm piping onto the cakes. And now I'm taking my paintbrush. This is wet this time, so some of the icing is going to start to stick to the paintbrush, but I'm just trying to make sure everything looks nice and smooth and I'm getting all the lines in the right place. Now I have a tip number 10 that I'm putting on here, and I want to fill this in. So I'm starting at the outline, and I'm just going to go around this entire thing, making sure that I get into all the points. And then once the outer part is done, I'm going to fill in the rest of this. Now that looks pretty sloppy, so what I need to do is smooth this out. So I'm taking my spatula and I'm just lightly scraping off this excess icing just to smooth it out. You don't see me rinsing that spatula off in the water just to clean it, and then I dry the spatula. Do you see how I'm taking the tip of it and I'm going where the icing meets that outline, and I'm just trying to smooth everything out. This is a little process here, but it's going to look really nice in the end. So I'm making sure that I get in all the corners and I go around all the outer edges just to smooth it out. And now I'm taking some water to smooth this, and this is going to make it look so much better. So you don't see me doing this, but I'm rinsing my spatula under the hot water, and then I'm keeping a little bit of that water on the bottom of the spatula to smooth this out. And I'm doing the same thing. I'm just going over the entire image, starting at the corners and coming in and just making sure that I get a little bit of water all along the edges and in the center of this to smooth out all of that buttercream. So I'm barely touching it with the tip of that tapered spatula, but I'm just trying to smooth it out with the water. And now I want to take my wet paintbrush and just smooth out those jagged edges. So I'm rinsing my paintbrush under the water and then drying it off with my paper towel. And then do you see how it's a little bumpy there at the very top? I just want to smooth everything out. This is a little bit of a process, but it's going to make it look so nice and pretty. And look how smooth and beautiful that is. Now I have an icing bag with a tip number 6B, and I'm just doing basic shell borders around the top and the bottom edge of the cake. And when I make buttercream shells, I just squeeze and go back a little bit, and then as I come forward, I release pressure so it can taper and come to a point. And here is your all buttercream Batman cake design. Now I did end up adding an edible image banner, and I do have a video showing you how I make those, and that will be linked below.